mis brows hoy, pero el look se ve lindo. Estoy glowing violeta, parezco una violeta queen.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this purple hot pink halo eye. My lash is playing with me today. I'm sick of her already. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. And before you keep watching, please remember to subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos of me doing my makeup or any type of other video, it doesn't have to be like makeup related, it can be about clothing or something. And I am thinking of doing like a video reviewing some clothes from like those apps where you get clothes from, like Shein and those type of situations. And my sister did a haul the other day, and she bought me some things. So when I get those clothes, I think I'm going to be doing a video on that. Keep on the lookout for that video. And anyways, I'm going to do this look for you guys to see it, how I did it, and everything I used. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get ready. Let's get started with this video. Okay guys, to start off the look, I'm going to be taking the shade DP and I'm going to be placing that shade on my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Electric and I'm going to be blending it with the shade DP. Now I'm going to be taking a little bit more of DP and I'm going to be darkening up the crease. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Swag and I'm going to be placing it in the inner and outer part of my eye. Going to the Aphrodite palette by Habit, I'm going to be taking the shade Crush and I'm going to be placing it in the middle of my eye. Now I'm going back to this shade Swag and I'm going to be blending the shade better. Now I'm going to be taking that MAC liquid lipstick and that NYX liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be making the dots. For foundation, I'm using the Superstay 24-hour foundation from Maybelline, and I'm using for primer the Chica Cosmetics primer. the Age Rewind Concealer. Now I'm going to be using the setting powder from Beverly. For contouring, I'm using the e.l.f. Contour Palette. The NYX Cosmetics Ombre Blush. For setting spray, I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Going back to the eyes, I'm going to be taking the shade Swag and I'm going to be placing it in the inner and outer parts of my under eye. Now I'm going back to this shade Crush and I'm going to be placing it in the center of my under eye so I can get the same halo eye effect. Now I'm going to use the shade Wicked as my inner corner highlight. This highlighter I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild highlighter in Royal Calyx. Yo no sé si son nuevos aquí, obviamente no han visto el video que yo hablé sobre highlighters. Si ustedes vieron ese video, se recuerdan que yo había dicho que este highlighter era una porquería. Es que no lo sabía usar. Eso es todo. Retiro lo dicho. Se ve bonito. Not my favorite. Bueno. Es que, bueno, a mí me gusta Super Glow Situations, pero no se ve mal, se ve bonito. Y para 5 pesos está bien. So, voy a dejar de quejar. Ahora me lo voy a echar. Ahora. Why not? Es que ustedes tienen que ver lo que yo estoy haciendo para sacarle color. Porque el otro no pasa eso. El otro que tengo de estos highlighters shows up pretty quickly. Que no es que tengo que estar
ahí bien exagerado.
No eran cosas mías. Hay que trabajar con él. Porque es como que se ve lindo como quieras. Ok, ahora el problema es el puto lipstick. Porque no quiero hacer bien dramática y ponerme este lipstick porque va a ser too much. Por eso es que I always reach out to los lipstick color. Qué problema. Siempre el lipstick siempre es un problema. Siempre. Sí, yo creo que voy a utilizar el Kristen Lip Gloss de Anastasia. Porque de verdad que no quiero. Okay guys, so this is the finished look as you saw on the start of this video, the beginning of this video, and I had a lot of fun doing this look. I'm going to get close so you guys can see the little polka dots. I know from afar you cannot see them because they're very small. Like the details of the look, you guys obviously cannot see it. I'm going to scoot you guys a little bit closer. So guys, this is the look, this is the polka dots and everything, and the lash. I'm very mad with the lash. I'm now going to zoom you out. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm going to be telling you guys every product that I use down below. This foundation is too light for me. I think it's too light for me. I don't know. It's a little bit like reddish undertone, like an orange undertone, and that is not my undertone. Pero like tengo que vivir con eso porque no la uso mucho y pues quería usarla para este video. So if the pictures look a little weird, then it's the foundation, it's not me, it's the foundation. Anyways guys, so I'm just going to end this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching and for being here. You guys are sweet and cute, each and every one of you. So yeah, I'm gonna leave now.